In this super quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Tundra key fob to replace the internal battery. You may have a device that looks just like this, but it has 3 buttons instead of the 4 here. There are actually a couple different versions of this particular device that have even up to 6 buttons. Don't worry, if yours looks like this, it's going to be the same exact process. It's going to use the same battery and everything like that, so just follow along. Once again, this is super easy. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you don't know where to get one of those, or you just like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. Now the first step is just to look down here where this key ring attaches, and you can see there's a little slot in the plastic. We're going to open that up by using a flathead screwdriver. You could also use a coin, but we're just inserting it in and twisting. And that will crack this thing open. Can kind of dump out this little rubber component, and you can see behind there we have the battery. Now you just slide the battery right out with your finger. Comes out very easily, and now we can replace it. So when you're putting your new 2032 battery in there, make sure the positive side goes face up, and you'll just slide it back in there. You want to see that plus sign facing up. And now you can see the buttons are back here, so you can just line those up with the openings in the front of the device here. And you just set that down, click these 2 back together, and you are all set. That is all it takes. You're good to go now. So I hope that was helpful for you. And if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just let me know by giving this video a like so it can reach more people and help them out too. And if you are ever changing another battery in any of your key fobs, remember we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every make and model. And you can get all that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.